New construction one-level home located in Fox Meadow Subdivision offering approximately 1,550 square feet of living space. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a 550 square feet attached main-level garage, situated on a 1.15-acre lot. The interior offers an open floor plan with a combined living, dining, and kitchen area. The kitchen includes granite countertops, a large island, and new appliances. Additional features include tray ceilings, updated lighting fixtures, and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The primary suite includes double vanities with granite countertops, a tiled walk-in shower, and a walk-in closet. The home features a split bedroom design, with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom located on the opposite side of the home. Exterior features include a covered back porch with mountain views. Construction includes a metal roof and a concrete-filled foundation as a builder upgrade. Located in a low-traffic subdivision with convenient access to surrounding areas. All information taken from a third-party source, courthouse/tax records, and to be verified by the buyer/buyer's agent. Drawn-in lines are approximate. Some elements, fires in fireplaces, twilight shading, lighting, etc., have been added/modified digitally.